Hi guys, Linda from Nevada. Look at this cat. He's really making a mess out of my wire over here. He loves my wire. Stop it, Rambo. You want to hit me? Do you want to bite me? No biting. You got people all over the place looking at you. I know you love me. You love me? Come here. Well, today he likes to bite. Sometimes the cat is very frisky, and today he's in a mood. But he loves to be next to me as usual. And he is a great looking species. What I haven't told you before is he's a rescue cat. If you can take a look at this eye over there, as you can see, it's not opened as the other eye. When he was younger, he had an infection in his eye. And it was he had a little surgery there. And right now he's at home with us. And he loves to be with me. He loves to be with my little girl sometimes. Not so little. You saw her on my some videos of mine. And he loves to be hugged sometimes, and he loves to cuddle, as I said. So, in case you want more videos like this, like I said, hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, share to your social media. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.